back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. So welcome back to another video. If you are here, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below as always. And yeah, today's video we are kindly collaborating with the brand Glamnetic, and I really love the packaging of this. It's very holographic, which I love, and this company sells magnetic eyelashes and press-on nails. So we are going to be doing a try on of the magnetic lashes, and I'm just going to basically show you guys what I got in this little package. So how cute is this? So yeah, the first things I am going to show you guys is the press-on nails that I did pick up. So I got these gorgeous French oval nails, and they are reusable, and they're just some press-on ones. And I do like the holographic theme, as you can see in there. So this is the brand Glamnetic. So I've basically got loads of stuff to show you guys, and I really like these, so I just picked these up, and I think they'll be super cute with any outfit. So this is the first box of nails that I did pick up. The second box is very similar, and they're just like these ombre nails. Again, they are reusable, again with the theme of the holographic. And yeah, I think they're really cute. I love the logo and everything. It's so pretty. So yeah, I picked up these ombre nails. They're very natural and I really like them. So these are the two pairs of nails that I did pick up, which are really cute, and yeah, I really like them. So yeah, I picked up those. And then I also got in the package a lash grab, just to put the lashes on with, and it comes with a little comb at one end as well. And obviously it does have the brand on as well. I picked them up in this gorgeous pink colour, which I really like as well, and it just came in this gorgeous holographic bag as well, which is really cute. So I picked up those. I picked up 3 pairs of lashes, which I'm obsessed with. So I got these. I really love the packaging and everything. So these are the Glamnetic Darling Lashes, and they are half lashes. So this is what these look like, and they're so cute and they're so natural. So I can't wait to try these on. I love the packaging. I thought these were just too cute to not pick up, so I picked these lashes up, and these are the Darling Lashes. So yeah, I really love those. The next pair of lashes I picked up were the Love You So Much lashes, and again I really like the box and it's just so cute. So yeah, this is the box for this one, and again these are very natural, which I really like. So these just look like this. These are the Love You So Much lashes, and they're just so pretty, so I can't wait to try a pair on. So yeah, another pair of nice lashes that I did pick up. So yeah, I love these. So these were the Love You So Much lashes. And then the last pair of lashes I did pick up, and again I'm obsessed with the box, were the Viral Lashes. I love the holographic theme. I love that it's pink. So yeah, these are the Viral Lashes. These ones are a little bit more fluffier than the other ones, but again I really like them. And yeah, I think they'll just look really good. So I'm intrigued to see how they go on, because they are just magnetic with the eyeliner. So yeah, again I really love those ones. So I probably am going to wear the Darling Lashes that I showed you guys before, so I might just stick those on today. So I'm very intrigued to see if they stay on really well. And obviously as well, you get your magnetic eyeliner. So it comes in this little box, and then it's just a simple black eyeliner, and it has the little wand stick bit as well. So yeah, we are going to try these on today, which I'm really excited about, and yeah, I'm just very happy to be working with them. And yeah, so let's test out these lashes, and I'm just going to go and quickly put them on. Okay, so I've just had a little bit of a fiddle around and I've just used the Darling lashes and they honestly look so cute. I know I'm not the best at eyeliner or anything, so I've just used this little black eyeliner. I know I'm not very good at eyeliner or anything like that, but how cute are these? Like honestly, they're so cute and they just look so natural, and I really like that they're only half because they're just so much easier to put on and everything. So this is what the lashes look like, and honestly I'm so happy with them. Like they look so good. So yeah, that's today's video. If you did enjoy it, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below as always. And I shall see you guys in my next video. And yeah, I hope you all have a lovely evening.